put AI route planning to the test and see if it can really take over my daily commute. Artificial intelligence is transforming many aspects of our lives, from how we work to how we travel. Hi, I'm Leslie Walker. AI route planning is one such innovation that's gaining traction, and it's changing the way we approach our daily commutes. The idea of letting an algorithm plan our route to work or school can be daunting, but the potential benefits are undeniable. With AI route planning, we could be looking at reduced travel times, lower stress levels, and a more efficient use of our time. As we delve deeper into this technology, it's essential to consider the broader implications of AI route planning on our daily lives and the future of transportation. Commuting can be a frustrating experience for many of us. We've all been stuck in traffic, waiting for what feels like an eternity for the cars to start moving again. Delays are another common problem, whether it's due to roadworks, accidents, or public transport issues. The consequences of these delays can be significant, from being late for work or school to missing important appointments. It's not just the time lost that's the issue, it's also the emotional toll that commuting can take on us. Long commutes have been linked to increased stress levels, decreased productivity, and a range of other negative effects on our mental and physical health. The daily grind of commuting can be exhausting, both physically and mentally. For many of us, the daily commute is a necessary evil. But what if there was a way to make it more efficient, more enjoyable, or even just less painful? The search for solutions to these problems has led to the development of new technologies, including AI route planning. By analyzing real-time data and traffic patterns, AI algorithms can optimize our routes, reducing travel time and minimizing the risk of delays. Commuting is a universal experience that affects people from all walks of life, and finding ways to improve it could have a significant impact on our overall quality of life. Whether we drive, take public transport, or walk or cycle, we all have a vested interest in making our commutes as smooth and stress-free as possible. The key to unlocking this potential lies in the effective use of technology, and AI route planning is at the forefront of this revolution. AI route planning uses complex algorithms to analyze vast amounts of data, from traffic patterns to road conditions, to determine the most efficient route. These algorithms can process real-time data, adapting to changes in traffic conditions and adjusting our route accordingly. The benefits of AI route planning are numerous, from reduced travel times to lower fuel consumption. By optimizing our routes, we can also reduce our carbon footprint, making our commutes more sustainable. One of the most significant advantages of AI route planning is its ability to learn and adapt. As we use these systems more, they become more effective at predicting our preferences and optimizing our routes. With the rise of smart cities and the Internet of Things, the potential for AI route planning to integrate with other technologies is vast. We could see a future where our commutes are seamless, efficient, and personalized. AI route planning can also help to reduce congestion on our roads by distributing traffic more evenly and minimizing the risk of accidents. The technology behind AI route planning is constantly evolving, with new advancements and innovations being made all the time. As we look to the future, it's clear that AI route planning will play an increasingly important role in shaping our transportation systems. The use of AI in route planning is not limited to personal commutes. It also has significant implications for logistics and transportation companies. By optimizing routes and reducing fuel consumption, these companies can save time, money, and resources, while also minimizing their environmental impact. AI route planning is not just a tool for individuals. It's a technology that can benefit entire cities and communities. The potential for AI route planning to transform our daily commutes is vast, and as we explore this technology further, it's essential to consider its broader implications. A compelling example of the success of AI route planning can be seen in cities that have implemented smart traffic management systems. These systems use real-time data and AI algorithms to optimize traffic flow, reducing congestion and minimizing travel times. In one notable case study, a city implemented an AI-powered traffic management system, which resulted in a significant reduction in travel times and a decrease in congestion. The system used real-time data from traffic cameras and sensors to optimize traffic signal timings, ensuring that traffic flowed smoothly and efficiently. The results were impressive, with commuters saving an average of 15 minutes per journey. The city also saw a reduction in air pollution, as vehicles spent less time idling in traffic. This success story highlights the potential for AI route planning to transform our daily commutes, making them more efficient, sustainable, and enjoyable. The use of AI in route planning is not limited to cities. It's also being used by individuals and companies to optimize their commutes. By embracing this technology, we can create a more efficient, sustainable, and connected transportation system. As we look to the future, it's clear that AI route planning will play an increasingly important role in shaping our transportation systems. The potential for AI to improve our commutes is vast, and as we explore this technology further, it's essential to consider its broader implications. The potential for AI route planning to transform our daily commutes is vast. As we've seen, this technology can reduce travel times, minimize delays, and make our commutes more efficient and sustainable. The key to unlocking this potential lies in the effective use of technology and the willingness to adapt to new innovations. As we move forward, it's essential to consider the broader implications of AI route planning and its potential to shape our transportation systems. By embracing this technology, we can create a more efficient, sustainable, and connected transportation system, making our daily commutes faster, easier, and more enjoyable. Join the conversation and share your thoughts. Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Q's Fleet News, the place where you get your fleet news in 7 minutes. I'm Leslie Walker. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.